Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Figma on your computer. So for downloading that, you have to open first any web browser. Now search here Figma download. Now go to this link Figma downloads and then scroll down, and according to your desktop, choose, like I am on Windows, so I am choosing here desktop app for Windows. So here you can see downloading has been started. So just wait till the downloading ends. Now here you can see downloading has been done. Now double click it to install this and just wait. So here you can see Figma is launched. Now you can create your account if you are new to Figma, or you can log in to the Figma if you already have an account. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.